I believe Apple has it on their website for like 50 bucks, but why would I do that when I could get it for $11 at Amazon? Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Amazon haul. I got tons of stuff for the month of August. These are some of the things that I need for my business, some of the things that I need for myself. These are some things that I just found on TikTok and I was like, oh my god, I need to have that. I'm just going to show you guys. There's tons of like beauty stuff, tech stuff, business related stuff. I got some clothing items. I got me some fitness pants. I got me a lot of stuff. Want to share it with you guys just in case you were looking for something similar or if you realize that you need it as well. So yeah, if that's what you're into, keep on watching. I'm gonna start with beauty stuff. Let's start with beauty. So the first thing I got, I have so much stuff that is just all over my room now. So yeah, the first thing I got is this waxing machine. So I got this because I want to wax. I really don't like going to the salon because it hurts, but I heard of this product that like a pain reliever, like you spray it on before you get waxed and it won't hurt at all. I've been looking into getting that as well. I just didn't get it yet because I haven't been waxing. So yeah, I got me a waxing machine. This one is from Max Pearl. It has like tons of reviews online and I see why. Like it comes with 4 packets of hard wax. Like what? And that's not all. It comes with like sticks, and then it also comes with like these rubber things. I don't know what this is for, but thankfully they have like an instruction manual that comes with it. $26 I think. I could be wrong, but it wasn't expensive at all for what you get. This is a good price. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm kind of scared to wax myself, but we're gonna see. I also got this skin brightening spray, I think it is. So this is really good, at least I heard it's really good for ingrown hairs and skin brightening, which is what I struggle with, especially after a wax or shave. So I hear this is supposed to lighten your areas, so I definitely want to try it out. It also helps with like razor bumps, waxing bumps. Basically it's like the all-around after waxing care kit in a bottle. So I can't wait to check this out. I can't wait to try this one out. So then the next thing I got is a makeup sealer. I got this because I hear it's really good at sealing in your makeup. I heard it's really good at sealing in your makeup, especially for hot summer days. I heard this is really good, so I can't wait to try this out. So next thing I got are these reusable makeup pads. So pretty much they're just pads that you wet and you can just wipe off your makeup with them. What I really love about this is that they're reusable. So you can just pop it in a washer and it will wash off the makeup, the dirt, the bacteria. Listen, we don't need makeup wipes no more. When I found this, I think I heard about this on TikTok, but when I heard about it, I was like, I need this, like, because I'm so tired of makeup wipes. So I was like, okay, this is a must-have. So this next thing, I don't know if this is a beauty item, but pretty much is magic napkins. I first heard about it on TikTok. Pretty much it's these like these pill-looking things. You just wet it and then it turns into a towel, a wet nap. I was like, oh, okay, that's cute. I should get this. So I bought it. The next thing I got is this crimper. Like, look how cute this is. Oh my gosh. I love it. So yeah, I got me this crimper for like, I think 20 bucks. I could be mistaken. It was around that price range. It does my crimps so perfectly. Like it literally gives me like the perfect wave that I'm looking for. It has 2 heat settings. I don't know if you guys can see, but it has 2 heat settings, and it gets really hot. I'm not even front, like I burned myself. I don't know. It's kind of fading now, but I burned myself on my neck. That's how hot it gets. Like be careful. If you get this, be careful. Yeah, this was a must. Y'all, it was like 20 bucks. Go get it. I got me a regular like satin scarf to just tie my wigs down at night or to like lay my edges down. I think it was like $5, I believe. These headbands, I got me these headbands so that when I'm washing my hair I can put them on my head, so I don't have to worry about like getting the glue wet or getting my hair wet. Yeah, it came 6 in a pack for $8.99. That is a good price. So moving on to clothing, I got me this bag. Okay, so I got me this bag because I wanted something like the Rive Gonche. I know I'm not saying it right, but I wanted something that looked like that, but obviously without the price. And I immediately went to Amazon because I knew Amazon literally has everything. So I wanted a shopper tote because I am going on a trip soon. So I need me a really big bag to hold all my like stuff, well, majority of my stuff, and this was like perfect. The only thing I don't like about it is that this right here is cotton, which they did say it on the website. It's literally in the title. It's 100% cotton. But I don't know why I thought it was gonna come leather. I don't know. As you can see, it has our initial on top. They have like different letters, and you pick the one that resonates with you, or you can like create your own little phrase on the back. And it comes with a little scarf, so that's very cute. I think that's so cute. So the next 3 items I have are like fitness related. So I got me these workout shorts. They look so tiny, and that's because they are. I love these shorts. They have like a scrunch in the back. However, one thing I will say is that it's really tight. I got me a medium, and I should have got me a large because it's super tight, but I love it. I'm gonna get other colors in a large because I just love how it forms my body. I love how it like fits and everything and how it looks on me, so I definitely will be buying more. These leggings, you guys, I already wore them already multiple times. I also got me these leggings, which I found on TikTok. I found both of these shorts on TikTok. Again, it has like a scrunch, but this one is longer. Again, I love how it fits on my body. It's so comfortable, it's so stretchy, like it's perfect to work out in. Both of these shorts do give you extreme camel toe. I'm just letting you know, but if you don't mind, get these pants. Like run and go get these pants. I got me these shorts from a different brand. This one runs slightly big, I will say that, but I will be returning this because it's very short. It's shorter than what I expected. To me, it's like a Gymshark dupe. That's why I got it, because I wanted a Gymshark dupe, and I wanted the Gymshark shorts, but I didn't want to pay the price for it. So I just, like I said, I went to Amazon, and this is a great dupe. This is a great dupe. It's just too short for my liking, and I got it in a size medium, but it does run slightly big, just letting you know. So this is my last category, which is tech/business related stuff. So I'll start with this one because it's like right in front of my face. So this is a phone tripod. It gets longer than this, but this is how it is. And you just put your phone here. Let me show you guys. If you just put your phone here, and then you just put your phone here. Oops. Sorry. You just put your phone here, and then you can do whatever you want with it. So it's perfect for like creating content. It's literally for creating content, and that's it. Like that's why I bought it. It comes with the remote. The remote goes right here. I just don't know where I put it, but it does come with the remote. It extends to like 54 inches. 54 inches. You need to record content up there. You can do that with this. So the next thing I have, oh, you can see my wig. My wig, girl. So the next thing I have is it's on my desk, phone holder, and I got it in the color gold because that's my aesthetic, obviously. But I got it in the color gold, and yeah, it literally just holds your phone on your desk. Let me show you guys. Let me go over here. What I got from Amazon was this phone case, which is the magnetic charging case. I don't even have a magnetic charger, but I really wanted a clear case just to show off the gold. I love gold. I love gold. I believe Apple has it on their website for like 50 bucks, but why would I do that when I could get it for $11 at Amazon? So next thing I bought are these RGB strip lights. It is 16 feet, you guys. 16 feet. It's waterproof. It's color changing for $11.99. I specifically want to put it like behind my desk just for a little bit of color. But yeah, like $11.99. You get multiple color options. It's waterproof. 16 feet. You can't beat it. So if you've been looking for something like this, definitely go check this out on Amazon. So the last two things that I have work simultaneously, which is first this light. So if you're wondering what light I'm using, I'll link it down below. And also the battery that comes with it. So like I bought, it was like a battery, it was 2 batteries, the charger and a car charger, all for like 20 bucks. I think it was like 20 bucks. So 4 pieces for 20 bucks. And then the light, which I love, because I feel like the light is doing its job, don't you think? I think it's doing its job. And it's just one light. So I'm gonna link everything down below. But yeah, I think that's everything, believe it or not. I'm gonna leave the links to everything down below. Also, if you're wondering about this hat, I just didn't want to do my hair, so I got it from Forever 21. If I could find the link to it, I'll leave it down below as well. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.